How to share your Netflix account with friends. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can share our Netflix account with our friends. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can add friends on our Netflix account. So let's begin with the process. So before going on with the process, there are some things you need to follow up, or there are some rules that you need to follow up in order to share your Netflix account with your friends. So just remember to keep this thing in mind when adding an extra member. The extra member must be activated in the same country as the account owner. Both of the person are the main account owner, and all of the person, you can add up to 5 people. All of those 5 people should be from the same country. And extra members can't be added to Netflix included packages, third-party build accounts, and ad-supported plans. Just keep this thing in mind. And the extra member slot costs $7.99 per month, which is cheaper than a standalone plan. So you may just purchase the plan, which is a lot cheaper, and it is more convenient for you as well. You can decide to give the extra member a new account or transfer their existing profile. That is up to you if you are the admin of that account. So in order to share a Netflix account with friends, you can add an extra member to your account. In order to do that, you may just go to netflix.com/account, the previous piece that I showed you just here. After that, you may just enter your email address and all of the thing, and just select buy an extra member slot and follow the steps to add an extra member. After that, choose an existing profile to transfer the extra member and go on with the process of sharing your Netflix account. And the next thing is you can also add profiles to your account for people who live with you, like log in into your Netflix account, go to the manage profiles piece, click add profile, name the profile, and choose its language preference, maturity level, activity log, and viewing restrictions. You can have up to 5 profiles on a single account. When you go to add profile section, you can see this manage profile section. Just simply tap on add profile and add your name and all. After that person should be added onto your Netflix account. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to share your Netflix account with your friends very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.